Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm extremely stoked for today's reaction because after a very long time I'm reacting to a rap by Fejo and this song is called Ayaram Aura. It's a Malayalam rap obviously produced by Jeff and Justin and I am just seeing the description here getting distributed by Sony Music, so I'm very happy for him. Music composition is by him, like by Fejo, vocals and lyrics obviously by Fejo, and beat production is by Jeffen. What it writes is that it's from poetic metaphors to powerful declarations. This track is about using pain as fuel, rising above challenges and leaving a lasting legacy. Rooted in Kerala's spirit, it reflects standing tall when alone and etching your mark in diamonds. I love this description. And Fejo is a very good rapper and I'm very happy to see so much views getting garnered for this particular song and I cannot wait to listen to it. So let us begin.
എൻകാലിലെന്നുടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ നശ്വം എതിരാളി ലോകം മൊത്തം എതിരെയാണ് നിരന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ കെട്ടിപ്പിടിക്കണ കരങ്ങളിൽ സ്നേഹം വെറുപ്പിന്റെ അങ്കിനി ഊരിട്ടുക ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് തുടങ്ങണ അടിയുടെ പുരമത് കൊള്ളാം മൈൻഡുടെ പോരിനുവ പങ്കകൾ മൂന്നില്ലേ എലുമതി വന്ന് കറക്കണ കാറ്റാടി താക്കോലടിയിൽ വെച്ചാലും ഞാൻ വെൽക്കം എഴുതാം മാറ്റാടി കാക്കി കറുപ്പിലൊളിച്ചാലും പാത്ത പുറടിക്കണ് ആ താടി 1000 കൺവെച്ച് നോക്കിയാലും പരാജയം അടിക്കണ് സാറ്റാടി ധ്യാനത്തിനെങ്കില് ധ്യാനത്തിലേറാണ് തേജസ്സു നേടി നീ സാവുന്നേ ഉലകത്തിനുത്തരത്ത് പൊടിമാറ്റും ക്രൗഡില് കയ്യെത്തി നേട്ടം മിസ്സായാലും ഒറ്റക്കല്ലേ ലോഡ് ചെയ്യടാ അസത്തോ കേൾവിക്കാരുടെ അസറ്റോ അറബിക്കടലിനോരത്തോ അമ്മ മടിത്തട്ടിൻ ചാരത്തോ എതിരിടാമെന്ന ലാഭത്തോ മലയോര നടുപുസ്വത്തോ ഓരോ സെക്കൻഡും എൻ സമയം നോക്കേണ്ട രാശി ഗെയിമോട് കമ്മിറ്റഡോ പവർ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലേ ഇല്ല ഞാൻ നേടി ലോകം സോളോ രാത്രിയിൽ ചൂളം അടിക്കണ പാപ്പി ഞാൻ പെണ്ണിന് പാപ്പിച്ചുള്ളോ ലാസ്റ്റ് മാൻ ഇവൻ സ്റ്റാൻഡിംഗ് പിൻപറ്റി വന്നവന്മാരെല്ലാം ജൂനിയേഴ്സ് മേക്കിംഗ് സോങ് ഫോർ ദ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ദിസ് മേ ഹിറ്റ് യു ആഫ്റ്റർ 2 years making song for the future this may hit you after 2 years.
They are all his songs, right?
ഇതുന്ന വാക്കിലും കണ്ണീരിന്നോക്കിലും മുൾവച്ചൊരു പനി നിർപ്പൂവാടി കയ്യിലെ ബുക്കിലും പിന്നിലെ തോക്കിലും മുൾവച്ചത് പറയണ നോവാടി എന്റെ വരി കേട്ടു മനം ധരിച്ചെങ്കിലും പിൻതലമുറക്കാരെന്നെ മാറുന്നെങ്കിലും വാക്കുകളെ അവർ വന്ധ്യം കരിച്ചെങ്കിലും ഞാൻ എഴുതി വെച്ചതു വജ്രത്തിലാ കേരളത്തിലാണു ഞാൻ ജനിച്ചതെങ്കിലും അടവെടുത്തതിലൊക്കെ ജയിച്ചെങ്കിലും നാളെ ഈ മണ്ണിൽ കിടന്നു മരിച്ചെങ്കിലും ഞാൻ ജീവിച്ചതു നിന്റെ ഹൃദയത്തിലാ പഞ്ചന്റെ പോക്കറ്റിൽ പഞ്ചന്റെ മുതുകിൽ നന്നായി ജീവിക്കാൻ 1000 പോരാ മാച്ചിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ റിങ്ങിന്റെ നടുവിൽ എന്തോരോ ഇടിക്കും കൂടായിരം മോറാ
go. Fejo. Wow. Wow. I am like so good, man. Okay, let me stop this. Wow. You know, when I went back in the video, I went back now when he was pointing the arrow and all his songs, and I was like, have I not react? I don't think I've reacted to any of those songs, because I remember the song that I reacted to of Fejo's. Of course, Sambar was a collaboration, but no, long back when I was first introduced to him. Then I think it was none of these songs. It was a very different song. It was also an animation, but it was not any of these songs. Now I forget the name of the song, obviously. But the latest I remember, I think the last I reacted to Fejo was Sambar, when I reacted to Sambar. But that was like a collaboration, obviously. Anyway, this was incredibly executed in terms of its rap, the message. Let's just talk about the message. I think it just shows the perseverance and to do whatever it takes to keep the artistry and the motivation alive. This is a motivation to himself also. It's more like self-motivation also. I mean, I wouldn't really categorize. See, he's talking about his achievements also. You can categorize it as a flex, but I wouldn't do that. Like, this is because I have, in rap, I've heard enough flex songs to know how to categorize flex, because they just go above and beyond the rappers that and this and that and this and that. But here it's more like, this is what I've done. This is the journey. I'm not flexing. I'm telling you the truth. So yeah, maybe some people will call it like, okay, he's flexing his achievements, which is fine, because those are his true achievements. But I think it's more of him standing the test of time. And after all his struggles, like, that really hit me, that okay, people realize the value of my songs maybe after 2 years. So I think it's not like, okay, overnight suddenly people have started like making his songs viral. It has taken its time. So now that this one has become viral and this is gaining so much attention, I'm very happy for him. And I think I love the lyrics of the song, and it kind of is a lesson to the listener also, that yeah, I mean, the hustle is always there. Things, for maybe a section of people who are extremely lucky, things come easy. But for the majority of people, it is the hard work and the perseverance and the resilience that you show to achieve your goals. It takes incredible discipline to achieve your goals and to be consistent. Like, keep doing. So, and before this also, I reacted to another song, another rap song, where the rapper, his name is Talha Yunus, he was saying these lines that it was similar, talking about his struggle and doing so much. And there was this one line which really hit me, which said that there were so many things that I've done, so that out of that, so many dreams have come true. But there's so many dreams that have gone to grave, which will never see the light of the day. So yes, it's a mixed bag. We only see the things, as an audience, we see the things that the person has achieved, right? But what has been buried down and what has been sacrificed, we don't know that. So yeah, so this song also reminded me of that song, because I just finished recording that reaction like a couple of hours back. So yeah, it's still fresh in my mind, that song. But this was phenomenal. Loved the animation. So much hard work has gone into it. The music was so good, and I loved that this is rap and there is a melodic part and the hook is na 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 na. Oh wow. It's just instantly you will remember it, because it is so well composed and so well curated. Everything with the hook was amazing, the rap is amazing. Obviously now when it comes to the meaning and the translation, yes, because I'm relying on the subtitles, so I'm appreciating that. But technicality, because with rap there's so many things more. When it comes to lyrics, there are entendres, the rhyme schemes, and also because I don't know the language, I cannot comment on it. So that's where you guys come in and help me, saying that, okay, did you find that, okay, this kind of rap style, like, I loved his cadence, I loved his flow. But when it comes to lyricism in terms of rhyme schemes or giving metaphors and all of that you guys will have to help me in the comments if you think that was good or not. Did you think it could have been better or not? But overall, I really enjoyed listening to the song. I really enjoyed the animation. Fejo was amazing with the melodic part, also with the rap part. Also, there is this sense of confidence, aggressiveness, which I like. And this is the positive aggressiveness. It doesn't come out as arrogance. So that cadence is there, that's maintained, because you can, the way you sing, the way, not sing really, the way you rap, it kind of takes in that zone that, oh, if you're being very arrogant, or if you're being angry, if you're being frustrated, if you're sad, if you're confident. So here it comes as like the positive aggression basically for me. The beat production by Jeffin, phenomenal. Again, total that when it goes to that fast beat, in that trancey kind of zone, that was crazy. The arrangement is phenomenal, and I did this is like a 4-minute 30-second song. Time flew by because I was so much engrossed into the song. So yes, that was my reaction to Ayaram Aura. Yeah, so Ayaram Aura, 1000 Aura basically. And Fejo, thank you for giving us this amazing song. And I'm sure now, looking at the views, it's not going to take 2 years for people to realize what a phenomenal song this is. So yes, that was it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.